Okay, hi everybody, this is teacher Cheska and I'm back. This is day 2 of your modules. So for the morning session for 8:30 to 11:30 in the morning, this is for Science 7. Okay, first we shall basically after day 1, so this is day 2. Alright, our objective today is to learn about drawing conclusions and communicating results. So if you notice on the different steps that we had on the scientific investigation, this is the last one, no? The last one of those steps. So let us begin. First, you have to read page 1 and answer what I know. Okay, so let's go to, so this is page 1 and you have to read this. It says here that drawing conclusions is utilizing information that is implied to make meaning out of what is not clarified. So when you say drawing conclusions, kanang kung sa imong impormasyon na nakuha gikan sa imong pag-imbestiga sa imong experiment, dili nimo klaruhon. Kung dili pa kay siya klaro, mo ni siya na panahon na imo siyang klaruhon. Okay? So it says here, you have to use the information that you have or you have acquired. So gamiton nato unsa ang data or information na imo nakuha. Now, when a conclusion is drawn, the validity of the conclusions and the research findings will be presented. So, kung na-clarify na nato, nabawaan na nato, unsay pasabot sa imo experiment base sa resulta, then, makahatag na ta, ato na siya pwedeng i-share sa ubang tao. So, communicating results is the sharing of results to others and allowing them to scrutinize your work for further enhancement. Meaning, pasabot ani, pag i-share nimo ang imong conclusion sa lain na tao, pwede na ilang i-accept, pwede po mangutana pa silang daghan ng mga questions, ila pang i-verify, pwede po nila tan-awo ng imong research or ang imong investigation kung napay kulang or unsay pwede idugang or unsay para mas makakuha pagitag mas patsada or mas concrete na findings, no, base sa imong research or sa imong investigation. Okay, so here you are expected to differentiate law from theory, formulate a conclusion, and relate the importance of communicating results in solving problems to others. So, natay tulo ka specific objectives. Okay. So, let us try to go into that. But first, you have to answer what I know. Okay. So, here, you have multiple choice. You can answer directly in your answer sheet sa inyong yellow pad paper. So, you can just write the capital letters, okay? So, that's 1, 2, 10. And then, so capital letter, test 1 is 1 to 10, multiple choice. And then, test 2 is true or false. This is 5 items. So, you just write the statement true. True ra gyud may butang or if it is false, okay? Alright. I'm sorry, sayop. Write A if the statement is true and write B if the statement is false. Okay, I apologize for that. A di ay A if it is true and B if it is false. So again ha, sa items 11 to 15, please make sure you write letter A lang or letter B. A kung true, B kung false. Okay? Are we clear? Alright. So that's for the next 5 items. Let's continue. On your weekly home learning plan, it says here that you have to read lesson 1. So, what's inside lesson 1? Here. You have to answer activity 1. What is in the riddle? So, this is it, no? Activity number 1. What is in the riddle? Let me just go back here. This is a vocabulary drill. This is where your previous lessons, these are the words from your previous lessons. Anyway, you can skip this and you just go here. So read and analyze each riddle. Look for the right answer in the box. Write your answers in your answer sheets. Okay? So basahon ni siya ang riddle, pangitaon dayon ang answer dinhi. Just choose one. Then you put there. Okay? Let's read the first one. Some farmers have lot of these roaming around. Most of their food they eat from the ground. These animals are grown for their milk or their meat. They are big. It would hurt if one stepped on your feet. Okay, this is very easy, I guess, no? Kasi, so, what animal is this? They are found in farms and they eat their food from the ground. Siguro, what do they eat? Gagikan sa yuta, di ba? So, unsa man ang nasa yuta? Mga sagbot. Pagdako na daw ni sila, gapadakoon sila para sa ilang milk o sa ilang meat. Okay. Dako sila and sakit kung matumba nila imong tiil. Okay, so asa ka din na ang answer. Is it a school? Is it chickens, cows, hangman, tiddlywinks, a treehouse, pigs, checkers? Okay? So this is very easy. You don't have to copy this. You can just write letter A and then you put your answer. Okay? So, mura na siya may butang dito sa answer sheets. So, that's ABC. Alright. And after doing that, let's read what is it. Okay. So, drawing a conclusion. A conclusion is a statement about the results of the experiment. Okay. So, again, this is a statement of the results of the experiment. You compare the results of the experiment with the hypothesis. If the data supports the hypothesis, then the hypothesis may be the explanation for the problem. If the data do not support the hypothesis, then more observations will be made. A new hypothesis will be formed and the scientific method will be used all over again. So, here, kung ang result sa imong experiment, ga-agree siya sa imong hypothesis. Remember, the hypothesis is your temporary solution, di ba? So, meaning to say, uni mo first na guess, then na-experiment din ka, then ang nakuha din mo ng mga resulta, naghatag og pruweba na correct ang imong gi-guess, ang imong gi-hypothesize, then you can go to that's the conclusion. You can make a conclusion. Pero kung dili daw, then you have to do or make new observations, maybe make another experiment, okay? So, you have to do the scientific method all over again. Alright, now, when a hypothesis has been tested many times under many different conditions and has been found to explain a group of observation, the hypothesis becomes a theory. This is very important, no? So, a hypothesis, the temporary solution, your first guess, kung na-test na siya, ikapila na, ikadaghan, no? Then, it becomes a theory. Ang tawag ana kay theory. So, theories are explanations for some problems based on observations, experimentation, and reasoning. Okay? So these are explanations for some problems based on observations, experimentation, and reasoning. Okay, this is very important. While if the same result have been obtained for so many times by different scientists, the summary of these experimental results becomes a law. Okay? Laws are summaries of many experimental results and observations. Laws are not the same with theories because laws tell only what happens, but it does not tell you why it happens. Alright?